Good morning, students. This is Alesh Kumar. Today we will solve exercise 2B, under which we will learn how to multiply the fractions. This is the question number 1, exercise 2B. Okay, and the topic is multiplication of fraction. So 2 by 3 is a fraction and 11 is a complete number. So I will convert this into fraction by writing 1 in the denominator. Now I will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator if there is no common factor between the numerator and denominators. So 2 multiply 11 and 3 multiply 1. 2 multiply 11, that is 22, and 3 multiply 1, that is 3. Now you see, this is 22 by 3. This is not a proper fraction. It is improper fraction. Therefore, we will convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So we will divide 22 by 3. So 3 sevens are 21 and the remainder is 1. Now how we will write this? The denominator in the place of denominator, the remainder in the place of numerator, and the quotient as a complete number. Therefore, this is the answer. Now, the second question is 4 by 9 multiply 15. First, we convert this by writing 1 in the denominator. Now, 4 by 9 multiply 15 over 1. We can observe that 9 and 15 in numerator and denominator, they have common factor 3. It means they are both divisible on the table of 3. So first of all, we will divide these. 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. Therefore, 4 multiply 5 and 3 multiply 1. So multiply 4 multiply 5, that is 20, and 3 multiply 1, that is 3. Now 20 by 3. 20 by 3 is a improper fraction. So we adopt the same method of the division. Divide 20 by 3. 3 6 the 18 and the remainder is 2. So I will write divisor 3 in the place of denominator and quotient 6 in the here and remainder 2 in the place of numerator. So this is our required answer. And now here this question, there is a mixed fraction is multiplied with a complete number. So first of all, we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So how we will do this? 11 multiply 1 plus 5. 11 multiply 1, 11, plus 5, 16. So it becomes 16 by 11 multiply 12 by 1. Now here you can see in the numerator and the denominator there is no common factor. The common factor, if there would be, then we divide, but there is no common factor, so we will multiply with the numerator with the numerators and denominator with the denominator. When we multiply 16 by 12, then we get the answer 192. So 192 by 11 is my answer, but this is again improper fraction, so we will convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So I will divide 192 by 11. 11 ones are 11, 8, 2. Now 11 7 are 77 and 5. Now this is the division, so we will write this 11 and remainder is 5. I will write here in the place of numerator, and in the place of whole number I will write 17, the quotient. This is my answer. So in this way you can see how we will multiply the fractions. This is rough work, this is rough work, and this is rough work. Here we will solve these two fractions. Now first of all we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 12 multiply 3, 36, 36 plus 5, 12 multiply 3, 36, 36 plus 7, 43, 43 by 12, multiply 21, 21 it means 21 over 1. So now we see 12 and 21. There is a common factor 3. If we divide these on the table of 3, then what we get? In order to divide, we will have to write it once again. So now we will divide. On the table of 3, 12 come at 4, and on the table of 3, 21 comes at 7. Now 43 multiply 7 and 4 multiply 1. 4 and 43 multiply 7, 7 3 the 21, 2, 27 for the 28 and 2, that is 301. Now we shall divide 301 by 4. 301 divided by 4. Now 7 4s are 28, 2 1. 4 and the quotient, remainder will be on the top and the quotient will be on side. This is the answer. Now in this way you can see how we solve this. In this question, first of all we will convert these mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 2 multiply 3, that is 6, and 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 2 multiply. 2 multiply 14, that is 21. 28, 28 plus 1 29. 2 multiply 14, 28, 28 plus 1 29. 29 by 2. Okay, now 7 and 29 will be multiplied, and 2 and multiply with 2. 2 multiply 2, that is 4, and 29 multiply with 7. 29 multiply with 7. 7 9 the 63. 7 to the 14. 14 plus 6. 20. So the answer is 203 over 4. Now this is the improper fraction, so we will convert it into mixed fraction. 203. 4 5s are 20. Now the remainder is 3, so I will write 0 here. Now 4 and the remainder 3 will be here, and the quotient 50 will be on this side. Now the answer is this. Now in this question we will see what the reciprocal is. If the fraction is given to you and you are being asked for its reciprocal, then what will you do? You have to convert or interchange the numerator with denominator. So the reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. Clear? Now the reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3 over 1. And the reciprocal of 5, we can write 5 over 1. Therefore it will be 1 by 5. And here this is a mixed fraction. So first of all you will convert this mixed fraction as improper fraction. 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11. So it is equal to 11 over 5. Now what is the reciprocal of 11 by 5? That is 5 by 11. So in this way you can find the reciprocal of any fraction. Thank you. Good morning, this is Shailesh Kumar, and our today's topic of discussion is multiplication of fractions. In the earlier videos we have learnt the multiplication of two fractions. Okay, but in this video we will multiply more than 2, that means 3 or 4 fractions or the mixed fractions. So let's start. Now 3 by 5 multiply 15 by 16 multiply 4 by 7. So first of all we will see, is there any common factor in the numerator and denominator? If there is, then we will divide. Now here you see 4 and 16. 16 comes in the table of 4, so we will divide it directly. 4 ones are 4 and 4 fours are 16. Now you see 5 and 15. On the table of 5, 15 is there. 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. So 3 multiply 3 multiply 1 by 1 multiply 4 by 7. Now we will multiply 3 multiply 3, that is 9, and 4 multiply 7, that is 28. Now this fraction is proper fraction, therefore no need to convert this fraction into mixed fraction. So this is our required answer. Now in the second part there are two mixed fraction and one proper fraction. So first of all we will convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. What is the method? The method is 7 multiply 2 14, and this 14 is added to 1, that is 15. 15 by 7. Now 9 multiply 2, that is 18, and 18 is added to 4, that is 22. 22 by 9 multiply 7 by 22. So our fraction of consideration are these. Now we will see, is there anything common? Yes, for the first one, this denominator and numerator, these are common, so I will cut. 22 will cancel with 22. Now 15 and 9. 15 and 9 both are divisible by 3, so I will cut them on the table of 3. 3 3 are 9 and 3 5s are 15. Now my answer is only 5 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator, but this is a improper fraction, so I will convert this into mixed fraction. 3 ones are 3 and the remainder is 2. Now 3 and this remainder in this place and 1 is here. Now my answer is 1 and 2 by 3. In this way we can solve this question. Again the third part is there. In this third part, first of all we will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 3 multiply 9, 27. This 27 will add by 2, 29. So I will write 29 over 3. Now 29 multiply 1, 29, and added to 1, that is 30. 15 multiply 6, 90, 90 plus 1, 91. 5 multiply 7, 35, 35 plus 1, 36. Student, when you convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, then there is no change in denominator. Please note this. Now, we will see, is there any common factor in the numerator and denominator? By observing carefully, you see 29 and 29. So, we will cancel these and 15 and 30. On the table of 15, 13 is there. 15 ones are 15, 15 to the 30. And now 3. On the table of 3, 36 is divisible. Yes. So I divide 36 by 3. 3 ones are 3 and 3 to the 6. Therefore the answer is 12. Now, any common factor is there? This is 2, this is 91 and this is 12. But in the denominator there is only 5 is there. And 5 is not common to any one of the above entries. So, we will multiply the above ones and write the denominator. 2 multiply 91. What is the answer? 2 and 18. 182. 182 multiply 12 divided by 5. In the rough work, we will multiply 182 with 12. 4, 36 and 182. 8, 2184. Therefore, the answer is 2184 by 5. Now, this is the improper fraction, but your question was in the form mixed fractions. Therefore, we will convert this into mixed fraction. You can see, first we convert this into improper fraction, and after that the common factors are being cut. After that we multiply the left factors in the numerator and denominator, and we reach there 2184 by 5. Now we will convert this into mixed fraction. Now 5 fours are 20, 1. Now 5 threes are 15, 3, 5 6 are 30 and 4. Now the remainder is 4, the divisor is 5 and the quotient is 436. So I will write it 5, 436 and 4. Now this is my answer. This is the rough work and this is the answer, 436 and 4 by 5. Here you can see that how we solve the fractions when the counting of the fraction is more than 2. Our related rough work is there in these type of boxes with the pink border.